Everybody, it's me, Megan. In this video I'm going to show you how I detangle my hair, and then I'm going to put it into a nice slick bun. Today I don't really want to do a twist out or a bantu knot out because I have some running around to do during the daytime. So my hair is completely air dried, and I air dried it until it is quite damp. So my hair when I go out won't be too wet because it is cold outside. So this is what my hair looks like air dry. So what I'm doing now to kind of just loosen up my hair to prepare to detangle it is just kind of lightly, not forcefully, run my fingers through my hair like this to better help me detangle when I actually use my comb. So that's kind of what I do as my first step, like this, just to finger comb through my hair. Alright, first I'm going to put on my leave-in conditioner, which is Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and it looks like this. So I'm going to apply that on my hair first in sections, and then on top I'm going to put my moisturizer, which is Organic Root Stimulator Incredibly Rich Moisturizing Lotion. And then to seal on top, I'm going to use Only Argan Oil, and I purchased this from Sally's. So this stuff really helps smooth out my hair. As you can see, it's slightly puffy, but this really helps smooth it out. I'm going to take my fingers, and I'm going to kind of put separate my hair in half so I can get to the middle of my hair to moisturize it. Now that I have that separated in half like that, because I want to make sure I can get product in the inside of my hair, now I'm going to kind of section off the top, and I'm going to use one of these clip clamps to put my hair out of the way. So now my hair is sectioned, I'm going to section off a piece of my hair, and this is how I'm going to detangle my hair into sections. So I have this section right here like that. I'm going to kind of lightly run my fingers through it like that. I'm going to now put in my leave-in conditioner, which is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I'm going to put about this much. I tend to overdo it with the product. I don't know why. I just do. So I'm going to have that much on. And as you can see, it's not lumpy and it's not, you know, cakey or anything. So I start from more so the bottom and then work my way up like that. Oops, got it on my face, and put it on my edges right there. So I have that like that, right? And then I'll take my moisturizer, make sure I don't put too much of this time. Put about that amount and start from the bottom up again and work it in. So now that I have that on, right, and I'm kind of like really working it into my hair, and make sure I get, you know, the ends. Now I'm going to take my comb, and this is a rake comb, and I believe I got this from a beauty supply store a couple of years ago. This is a rake comb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ends and start from the bottom and start to detangle. Taking my time, and then once I feel like that is detangled enough, go ahead and go up some more. So you have to really take your time with this. You don't want to start from here and then go down because you'll tangle your hair even more and cause breakage. So the longer your hair gets, you always want to start from the bottom. Even if your hair is not the length of mine, you still want to start from the bottom. So you really kind of want to take your time with this. I like to apply my product first and then detangle because as I'm detangling through my hair, the product is being worked in. So really take your time so you won't get any tangles or any breakage. And so once you get all the way to the top, then you can start to comb down like this because you got all the tangles out already. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to continue to do this into sections, but what I am going to do now is seal with my oil, since this is nice and detangled now. So since that's detangled, now I'm going to take my one and only argan oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You don't have to use the same things that I use. So I'm going to put that on my hand. I'm going to use, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Put about that much. Rub it in and start from the bottom. I'm starting from the bottom because that is the driest part of my hair, because it's the oldest and the furthest away from my scalp. So that tends to get really dry. So just really work all that into my hair and put it on my edges like that. And then once again, just kind of work through the hair with the comb. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I will come back when I'm towards the top and when I'm done to show you how I achieve my slick bun. So I now sectioned off the top middle like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my leave-in conditioner in and moisturize and seal this area too. But I'm going to split this in half and do the same thing. So as I am done moisturizing and sealing each section, I'm going to comb it all back with the rest of my hair, because I am putting my hair into a ponytail today, into a bun. So this is kind of my method I do when I am doing a bun. So you just kind of bring everything together, because when you comb it all back together, everything's already combed back in the direction of a ponytail, so you won't have to be doing that much combing again. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and seal this section and then comb it all back too. So now my hair is fully done. I put my leave-in conditioner, my moisturizer in, I sealed with my oil, and this is what I always do when I'm done washing and deep conditioning my hair or after a cold wash. This is the same process that I do with everything. So this is pretty much done. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to style my hair. I'm going to put it into a bun. So this is going to be a totally different video. So this is kind of, I think it's going to be like a series. So now I'm going to go ahead and record me actually showing you guys how I slick down my buns and things like that. So this will be another part to this video. So if you do have any questions about how I detangled or what products that I use, you can use whatever products that you have. But if you do have any questions, feel free to comment about those below and I'll try to answer that for you. So this video was my detangling process and my product applying process. So I'm going to go off to my next video now and I'll see you guys there.